So now let me just quickly talk about auto cue here. What this does is, at the moment, if I change song, it auto cues. It sets that cue point at the first sound of the song, so I can use that cue point, but it doesn't play, it waits for me. With auto cue off, if I change song, it sets it, but it instantly plays it too. So auto cue on is how you want it to be, so it sets it but waits for you. Auto cue off is how you want it to be if you want it to play through a whole CD without stopping for backing music or what have you. Text mode tells you whether or not, well, first you lose your graph of how loud it is, and then it tells you what you've written on the ID3 tag for your tracks in iTunes or whatever software you use to prepare your CDs. Most bought CDs will have a text mode, but I prefer to see the graph. Up here we've got break and start. What they do, at the moment you'll notice play and pause are instant. If I turn the break up, instead of pause stopping dead, it gives me a kind of wind down effect. If I turn the start up, it gives me a wind up effect. I like mine set about there. Just gives me a slow down, but it starts instantly. This button is in vinyl mode. That's the mode where this works. If it's in CD mode, it no longer works. In vinyl mode, this is the nudge. A temporary speed up and a temporary slow down, which is part of beat matching we'll talk about later. In CDJ mode, the whole thing works as a nudge. It's included on these units because it was invented first, and some of the older DJs who only knew about CD modes like it to be like that, but since they invented the vinyl emulation mode and they want to let people scratch, most people now like the vinyl mode. MP3 folder search only works if you're using an MP3 disc. Call, memory and delete only works if you're using an SD card. Not many people use those anymore really. And finally, jog adjust depends, well, basically it alters how the platter feels to you, so it's totally a personal decision. And unlock and lock just simply means that I cannot eject the CD, and to this day I still have no idea why they left that on this machine. Very last thing then, this one, simply backwards. So you can see there's a few features on here they've put on for special effects, but essentially the aim of it is that it plays tracks at your choice of timing and place, with you able to change the tempo so that you can mix two tracks together. This is the mic controls. We don't use those. They're for DJs and mics and MCs who want to announce things. Not part of DJing that we teach, although we can teach you how they work if you really want.